Hi guys. So this is the Q1 Canvas 20. Um I didn't take it out of its original box, but this is what the original box it came in looked like. And so I'm gonna take it off and then take out the actual box itself, and I'll show you that. Sorry. I'm gonna show you kind of size comparison. This is just the outer box. Came in an even bigger box than actually this. I just missed my finger. So, so it comes inside of a box. So the box comes inside of a box. So it came in three boxes specifically. You can't see it, but this box is about the same size as the other box. Bro. This is the Huon Canvas 20. It's a 20-inch panel. That's a drawing tablet. And yeah. So if we open this, I'll show you what's inside. It's creative pen display. I already have everything set up so it can be just plugged in. So what you get is a three-prong cable. This uses a power brick. So here's your three-prong cable. You get the power brick itself, which is a standard DC power brick. It is 90 watts. So here's the power brick. You get the cleaning cloth, the manual. You get the little pen holder. I have one. I also have one of these pens because I have the only pen for the pen. Pretty the same exact pen. It's the same exact pen, but this one's for the Huon Canvas 20. Here's the USB cable. It's USB-A to USB-A to B cable. You get an HDMI cable. I already have one ran, so it's a 1.5 meter HDMI cable. So you also get the little stand it comes with right here. And then you get the screws. You get the Allen key 4 screws. I might just use a regular screwdriver, but you get a screwdriver just in case you don't have one. And that's it for the phone part. So here's what the screen looks like. Those were from the packaging. I'm gonna take it out of this plastic until I grade it. Ooh, I hope that didn't break. That was broken to break. Okay. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked the video.